Welcome back, Black Hawk families. This is Mrs. Sutliff here with another STEAM challenge. Today's challenge is the E in STEAM, which stands for engineering. One thing everybody should have at home is paper. So today we're going to make paper airplanes. Do you remember the engineering process? The first step is to identify the problem. Your problem is that we want to create the best paper airplane that can fly the farthest. The second step in the engineering process is research. You will have to use the internet to search for different kinds of paper airplanes and see if you can find directions for how to make it. The next step is to develop a possible solution. This is where you will choose the best paper airplane from all the kinds that you found on the internet. I suggest you choose by finding a balance between how hard the plane will be to make and how good the plane will be at flying. Then for the fourth step, you will design your solution. Before you jump right in and fold a paper airplane, you should draw a picture of what your paper airplane will look like step by step. Go ahead and use the directions you found online to help you with your drawing. I know it might seem pointless to draw the steps to make your plane, but if you do this important step, you will understand your airplane better and it will turn out right. Then finally, it is time to build your prototype. Fold that paper into the best paper airplane you can make. If the airplane ends up being too hard to make, you can always start over with step 2 and choose a new airplane. Just don't do this over and over and end up wasting paper, okay? The next step in the engineering process is to test it. Feel free to do some preliminary tests today, but we will use our paper airplanes tomorrow to do some math and science, where we will test and record some data. So for now, just do whatever preliminary tests you would like to do at home to try your paper airplane out, but don't ruin your plane. You have plenty of time to perfect your paper airplanes and make them as good as you can. So if your paper airplane doesn't turn out the way you want it to the first time, go ahead and start with step 2 and try again. You can re-watch this video to help you go through the process the second time. We will use our paper airplanes to do some science experiments tomorrow. So get on out there and make some paper airplanes. Until next time, this is Mrs. Sutliff with Black Hawk STEAM Challenges. See you tomorrow.